Alright, got a little upgrade. We got the AMS hub and a new AMS. One AMS was just not enough. And what we're going to do is we're going to put it here on the side. I thought about the other side, but with the poop chute, I think that we'll go the other direction. So let's get this flipped around back and get the hub installed. Alright, power off and disconnected. Just got to take the connections off here. Take the, what do they call this? It's kind of like the hub. It makes sure that the as the AMS comes through and feeds, that it doesn't overwhelm the extruder. So let me get that off. All right, let's push that in and see if we can pull that out. All right, and 2mm screws. Not much to this. With the screws undone, just lifts up. And then we've got the normal AMS feeder, and we'll get the hub on. Alright. Not much in here. And there's the hub. And then that fits on those same two mounting holes. Like that. And then the AMS hub screws. These are a fair amount larger. Or longer, I should say. That'll stop. Yeah, there you go. Just snugging it up. And you do have to reuse this cord from the original hub, because that has 4 pins. Everything that's included has these 6 pins. Alright, there is cabling. I did a little cable management since the cable's so long. Guess I could have just reused the shorter one from the original buffer. But all connected back. I did reuse the PTFE tube from the filament buffer. While I have the printer turned around, I'm going to go ahead and do the belt tensioning maintenance, just because then when I do calibration after having moved the printer around, I don't have to worry about, oh, when am I going to need to do this, especially since I just replaced the belts and the carbon rods. Probably a good time. It's been a couple 100 hours. Alright, I've got the first one going in here, the cable for the second one coming out the other side. I chose to route it behind the PTFE for the first one. And then we'll get connection. Alright, there we go. All set up, booting up, and ready to load filament. Looks like I have some firmware updates for the hub and the AMS number 2. Let's get those updated. Firmware updated. We're ready to put in some filament. I don't know why, but when I go through my list, this is Sunlu filament that I just loaded. I cannot get Sunlu to add in. I added 2 custom. Sorry, 3 custom, but Sunlu won't show up. It's in the slicer Bamboo Studio, but it will never show up here for some reason, even though these other ones have. Oh well. And there we got it. All loaded up, ready to go. Oop. Sorry, I didn't mean to turn you. Have a good one, everybody.